What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? My name's Robbie Jones, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so it's been a long time since I recorded a video for you guys. I'm working on my master class. I'm trying to bring you guys the best class ever. Yeah, so I'm still on it. Yeah. So today's video, as you know by the title, I'm going to give you 6 fonts that is trending in 2022. Even if it's not trending in 2022, I mean, it's just some fonts that you guys can use in your designs in 2022. Yes. Okay, so font number 1, we have Nexa Rust. Nexa Rust. Yes, Nexa Rust is a very dope font. I actually used it for my master class, but all the same, you can use it for any other design that you want. Mainly people use it for cover arts and anything vintage. That's why we have the kind of dust in it. It looks rusty. That's why it's called Nexa Rust. Yes. So font number 2, we have Context. Yes, Context is what I use mostly for my cover arts. Anything out of the place, you understand. You can use Context for outlines too, and yeah, cover arts too. You can use it. I mean, Context is a type of font that is trending in 2022. You can use it for any type of thing. So we have number 3 at Ranting. Yes, and Ranting is what I use to type in names. Let's say if I'm doing a cover art or probably like a political design, I just use the Ranting to type out the person's name and put it beside the picture to show that this person is who we're talking about. Yes, Ranting is a very dope font. It is one of the fonts that I love, actually. Is sort of like a calligraphy type of thing. It's very dope. So yeah, number 4, we have Go Bold. Go Bold. Go Bold. Yes, Go Bold. I use Go Bold mainly for let's say names. I use Go Bold for date, time, sort of phone numbers and all those things, location, venues. Yeah, that's what I use Go Bold for. It is very dope. You can use it for main text. Yeah, you can use it for main text, and mostly when you open the font up, it gives like a very dope effect, and I love it so much. I love it. I mean yes. So we have number 5 at Gianna Lost. And is it Gianna Lost? Yes, Gianna Lost is a very dope font. I use Gianna Lost too, but not very much. I used it once, didn't use it again. It's a dope font. You guys can try using it. Yeah, and yeah. If only I had like a sample of work that I use Gianna Lost on, I would have showed you, but I don't have any. So let's move on to the next font, and we have Ranting. Ranting, not as in ranting as in talking, making noise, blah, 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 blah. We have Ranting as in the font Ranting. Yes, with the N and the G merging together, it is dope. It is. Yes, so mainly I use Ranting for let's say my photo shoots. I do a photo shoot and I'm trying to add a person's name or do something else. That is what I use Ranting for. Yeah, so Ranting is more like, I mean, yes. So guys, we have 6 fonts here. I was trying to do 9 fonts, but then 6 is all I have for you today because I'm going to do this regularly. Yes, from now onwards, I'm back in the game. I'm back in the nerd. Wait, I said bitches. Yes, so 6 fonts, yeah, and yeah. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next video. Yes, and graphic design contest episode 11 will be coming out very soon. Yes, very soon. And this time around, it's not going to be about color grades because I saw you guys didn't love the color grade video. So yeah, it's not going to be about color grade yet. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next video. Boom.